Assalamualaikum and very good morning. We are from Group 2.
Today we are given the task of doing a survey on the air transport demand for the Malaysian students studying in Venezuela, Malaysia.
So the problem statement is factors affecting the demand of air travel within the Malaysian student in the Peninsula Malaysia.
Our findings is that the most affordable transportation in this survey is the road transportation, which are from 37.5% rather than the air and railways transportation, which is 31.3%.
Moving on to the third hypothesis, the amount of allowances received by the student influence the demand of air travel between the Malaysian students in Peninsula Malaysia. As you can see from the pie chart, the highest percentage is 46.9%. It is stated that the student receive RM 700 ringgit per monthly, and the second highest is 34.4%, which is the student receive 500 monthly. The reasons that the student travel by air, it has been constituted in the pie chart that 68.8% student actually travel by air because of the duration time taken to travel from one place to another. Price and punctuality comes in second, whereby they have 12.5% each. And lastly, the least reasons why students travel with air transport is safety.
The hypothesis I got over here is that university students get easily attracted to the airline promotions. So we asked the students that, do you think that airline promotions are affordable? 90% of the students said they think that airline promotions are affordable, and 10% of students disagree that airline promotions aren't affordable. And we gave the student a scenario of an airline giving away tickets to anywhere in Malaysia for RM 70 to RM 150, and you can travel anywhere in Malaysia by bus for RM 40. Who would rather they choose? Train, bus or airline? Almost 53.1% students said they would travel by air, and 46.9% students prefer bus. And the third question is, we asked them about whose promotion they prefer most, low cost carrier or full service airline. As you can see from the pie chart, 78.1% students they like low cost carrier promotions, and 29.1% students like full service carrier.
Moving on to the next hypothesis, it is the duration time spent on traveling on different type of transportation influence the demand of air travel among students in Peninsula Malaysia. For this hypothesis, 3 questions has been asked. The first one is, how long did your journey take from hometown to university if you travel by air transport? The journey time has been given, which is 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes, and 2 hours or more. So the highest number of percentage is 41% goes to the 1 hour traveling time. The second goes to 2 or more hours, which is 25%, and the least is 1 hour and 30 minutes. The second question is, travel by air transport is saving a lot of time than using other transportation. As you can see from the graph, 90% of the respondents actually say yes, while only 10% and less is saying no. As for the third question is, does time spent on transportation is main factor that affect your decision when using air transportation? So the respondent has said, as per the graph, it is 80% the students said yes and only 20% said no.
For the next hypothesis is, does the safety reason influence the student to travel by air? From the pie chart given, we can see that the majority has said yes.
My hypothesis is air transport is chosen according to the distance the student wants to travel. To prove this, we asked the reason why they travel by air, and 68% of them said they chose transportation because of the duration, which means distance. The more distance, the more duration. So we can say that air transport is chosen as a mode of transport according to the distance they want to travel.